Remarkable innovations require powerful solutions. And that's where SLS 3D printing technology from Sinterit steps in. In 2014, we made it compact and accessible. Now Sinterit's complete solution powers up your innovation. With the widest product range on the market, Sinterit covers all areas of the process. But you can choose the most suitable modules by yourself. The complete solution also includes 8 functional materials for your applications. And with open parameters, you have endless possibilities to experiment. Take advantage of SLS technology and invent movable parts that can be printed in one assembly. Choose Sinterit and you'll receive the highest quality of printouts, even with complicated internal geometries. Print exceptionally durable and resistant prototypes, of outstanding accuracy and dimensions with the level of precision available in industrial SLS machines. All of that in Sinterit's end-to-end compact SLS solution designed with a modular approach, so you can simply build your SLS set based on your needs. With such an open offer, you're the decision maker. Let's go deeper into Sinterit's SLS 3D printing experience. It all starts with dedicated software, Sinterit Studio, where you can easily prepare your 3D models for printing. But the real journey begins once you open the printer, the core of the whole solution, with the Lisa Pro, a powerful SLS 3D printer. You may choose from Sinterit's 8 materials, mechanically resistant, electrostatic safe, or flexible. But also thanks to the unique nitrogen chamber, you can freely experiment with countless custom materials. Simply said, you can print any prototypes, concept models, end-use parts, and tooling. In the next step, you go to the powder handling station, a workplace dedicated to clean, safe, and effective post-processing and powder handling. Compatible with all Sinterit SLS 3D printers, the powder handling station helps you collect the remaining powder and refresh it with new powder to maintain the best printing quality. It does not require any chemicals and is super fast, just vacuuming or sandblasting. No supports need to be removed. All unused powder can be reused by mixing it with fresh powder. What makes it unique? The Sinterit solution allows us to achieve the lowest refresh ratio on the market. Thanks to that, your SLS 3D printing process becomes exponentially more economical. Discover Sinterit's modular solution with industrial quality, accessible price, 8 different materials, open environment, and reliability, proven by the market. Let us empower your innovation.